In this video, I will show you how you can add a payment method on TikTok ads. In order to do this, you want to go to your TikTok ads manager, and the link for this is ads.tiktok.com, and then from there just sign into your account. Now from the home screen, if you haven't yet set up a payment method, there will be 3 ongoing steps, one of which will be to set up your payment details. So simply click Setup Payment, and that will redirect you to the Finance section under Tools and then Payment, where you can now go and click on Activate Now. And then here you can add your payment method, so you can choose a credit or debit card or PayPal. So just add whichever one you like. I'll just do credit or debit card. Then go and enter your details. And then from there, you just want to go and click on Submit right here and make sure that you have at least 10 euros on your card, since it will be charged for 10 euros in order to verify that it has money. So from there, click Submit, and then it will verify your card. And then it says Processing Payment. And for me, I didn't have the balance, but if you have it, then it will be added to your balance, and then you can also use that money to actually start running ads, and basically you will then have added the payment method. So now you know how to add a payment method on TikTok ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.